Everything your treatment room needs in one box. Meet the Myolift MD, our most advanced professional microcurrent machine, and the complete kit that comes with it. At its center, the MD device comes with a charger, dual probes, a stylus, training manuals, and protocols. It also comes with our complete Myolift Classic kit that features a 16-ounce Restore Gel for mature and aging skin, as well as the Renew Gel for stressed or sensitive skin. You'll also find a set of hands-free conductive masks, 3 sets of 6 for the eyes, forehead, and lips, for effortless and even treatments while you work. An 8-ounce Replenish spritzer that keeps clients hydrated throughout the treatment to effectively help glide the probes. The complete precision kit that comes with 3 attachments, including cotton tip probes, round ball tips, and T-bar tips for precision targeting of sensitive areas. It also comes with 2 gua sha that pair with the Myolift device through sticky pads or by pairing with the conductive gloves for facial massage and lymphatic drainage. Next, you'll get a pair of conductive gloves and 8-ounce infused solution that is used to soak up the gloves. This method does not require a conductive gel if using the gloves by themselves. Apart from the classic kit, you also get a few additional products like the ATP Booster Gel, which helps boost ATP production, the anti-aging peptide serum, and a headband and silicone brush to keep treatments clean and mess-free. The Myolift MD is a complete professional system, thoughtfully assembled, beautifully made, and ready for your menu. Learn more at 7ewellness.com.